Welcome to Witchduck Lakes Community. Sidewalks, playgrounds, clubhouse, pool, and park-like settings are a few things in this community. Opening the front door to this detached single-family home leads to an updated kitchen, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and an open floor plan. Silestone quartz countertops wrap around the kitchen, providing space for cooking and room for bar stools, while cabinets and pantry offer storage options for an uncluttered space. Dual access to outdoor living off the dining room brings in natural light and leads to a private seating area great for grilling. The inviting master suite has a walk-in closet, additional space for an office or seating area. Master bath with soaking tub, glass shower and long counter with space for a stool. Centrally located near highways, town center, restaurants,